Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how to on and use eye care on Infinix mobile. Friends, you want to use guys your phone eye care setting. So my how to on and use eye care on Infinix phone today friends, I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video friends. First we will on phone setting to on eye care. After on phone setting, when scroll it, friends, click on guys your Infinix phone display and brightness setting. Guys, display brightness guys, we will on it. After on display brightness guys, first friends you can check your brightness level. Friends, you want to decrease your brightness level, you want to increase, so you can increase. Second friends, adaptive brightness means guys your auto brightness, your brightness will increase and decrease according to your requirement. So you can on and you can off from here. So as you can see brightness decrease, so we will increase it. Second option friends, you can see your eye care. Friends, click on eye care. First guys, turn on eye care. After on eye care guys, your screen eye care brightness guys you can adjust from here. Eye care tells your guys screen. After on guys, you can look at your screen and read dim light. So friends, you can see the schedule option. So friends, you want to schedule your custom time. So friends, click on your custom time, and when start time, so guys your automatic your eye care will start, and guys your when you will click on your end time, so guys automatic your eye care will off. So guys we will not use schedule time, we will non option direct. Friends, you want to use eye care, you can on from here, you can use. So friends, you can see after on guys screen color. So guys you should on guys at night guys, when you operate your phone at night, so guys you should on at night your eye care. After guys you can look at on your screen easily. So guys we will off from search bar guys, we will search here guys eye care, click here direct. Friends, you can off from here. So like the guy we can on and use eye care, and you want to off, so you can off. So bye guys, we will meet on next video. Thanks for watching the video.